See, when we multiply seed.
Akoriok ikinyo molu echweta kinyete kwa penati. Eso ya ikanyum. Maido katuro tona kolong. Keja icheda kesi aja ikina. Oibuga soroti. Ai tamtame ponelo ai tojo karako. Podasi kesi kinyo molu engiri kinitosa kolong. Ka Esokoni lo itekoro. Kanu ikorion.
Aningo sit nejekti Akoriok e palutos waina akoro 1 e beli kinyo 2 service providers lem ajes lem tungamu konye akaulo inyowe program e project ngona bongo obwa person to poloro kutungo lema samuno to mabala the program was now as if useless ekotoke samwe kinitunga ikinyom letamte bei like 60,000. You find somebody in the community, a poor person cannot afford that money. So you find that somebody goes and picks the lessest amount of, okay, assuming a seed is at 15,000. It is when Barajoka Lostagol Nikium Nito Marakan, Adepara Kaisa Kanyape, Naritija Kaisa Kanyape, Ilemuni Chesawa, Abuakolo, Akolonyo, Ikinyomongun, Silos Jadumun be Aguilaroda, Elom took us the Aguila de Kidioki Kapune Guilaro. Apoloke yauno nyo emorara daun
akotongoti oyaona ikinyimolu epedo tepekete kada kolong idoda ralu just kide Esokoni anuwo nyenera no panti tere kwa nakuri kuda luchelo jato chalo lumamlo lepoto sini epedo ta ngole kini so lijani ndi mai tutorial na o so de kesi alomu asote arutari chani otomokania arema kakana jakuru na kolo sek ejuli no sikwa mine kuside so au papino sikede ni na sipiro 18
Adelosi 5 kansila oboy kinite arapai ko district aloko soroti rosa laso ngesi abalebe koto iri ongeta lumame rasilu apugan kapugan ai ganga Akoriok jokan
ikinyom yetiona dumon dobo bedumunos da erailwe polebe do luanada kwa penata sunflower eraja dumakini gulu yotaili papugan ara epatana omwati waitin lisukunyuna tari kinyomone ya piete osodi kinorai kinyomole patana bongo nari kinyomonguno lera improve erai kin obongor boba korion bobo amoete bobi kinyoma gwel etele kartino ino achuma na danu echuete ikoti sukunyuna ngunda repatan kitetunga ai tolomun iborolu ipu akoru ni borolu epedorete ai ngaraki ni case era unagwelar etele karit attractan ara ibonatit imongini da kwangen
Apollo Kiniton Uganda Oil Seed Producers and Processors Association WOSPA Ray Bruno Agong ngesi abalebe ejasi kesi kerana peta nuaitegea aitolomi kinyomolu aturoto na kolong tetere patani kita Akoriok adumunotia ilokwa.
The major challenges in oil seed production and productivity is the planting seed, especially the sunflower. 98% of our seed which we are planting in Uganda here is brought from outside Uganda. So we are saying we should find a way of multiplying our own seed here. It will increase the accessibility of the planting, improve planting seed by the farmers. It will reduce the cost of seed, and that therefore reduce even the cost of production of the crop, so that when you are marketing, you are competitive enough. We have informed farmers that if you see a sign of disease, you have root such a crop. And the best way is to do rotation.
Kanuka TV East, Abraham Elapu, Koibuga Soroti.